Hello everyone. It is September 9th, Wednesday, and it is Apple Announcement Day. Um, so excited about that. Looking forward to new TV. Been wanting that for a while. Excited about the app opportunities there. So that'd be cool. So I'm going to go to Seed for that and watch that. And what else? Yesterday I worked on the add to Slack button for Tatsu, and what a fucking pain in the ass that is. So all the add to Slack thing does is basically you send it a different OAuth scope, and it's called incoming webhook, and it has a new form that allows you to choose your channel, and then it actually creates the webhook for you, the incoming webhook for you, and passes back the name of the channel that you selected and the incoming webhook, which is cool. It saves Tatsu users and anybody that's has a Slack plugin an extra step of copying it in. The problem, however, is that I'm using OmniAuth Slack, and that doesn't allow, it doesn't have support for the incoming webhook. So I said, okay, I'll fork it and create a support for that. Somebody actually already did that. There's a pull request waiting. But the problem is that you can't pass additional scopes with the incoming webhook scope. So you can't pass the read scope, for instance. And the way that the OmniAuth Slack gem is written is it depends on that read scope, or else you won't get any of the user information. So I was using an old version of the OmniAuth Slack that didn't depend on that read scope. So what I ended up doing is having to monkey patch that old version and add incoming webhook support. That is on my GitHub at Brilliant Fantastic. So I'm going to reach out to Slack and ask them if we can have both scopes, and if that's the case, then I can add that patch and pull request to the OmniAuth Slack. Anyway, that took me a long time to figure out what the issues were yesterday. But once I was able to do that, I also ended up rewriting the creating of Slack account. It was kind of like a big method mess, and I broke it out into services and used the light service gem for that. I love that gem. I use that in a lot of projects, and that basically just breaks out a bunch of different functionality into actions. And then you can piece those actions together. So that's what I did yesterday. Today I'm going to finish up the sign up portion because the other part of this for Tatsu is that they can add additional rooms, and so I need to add that support there as well. And then I didn't get to work on my main client yesterday, so I need to have like 10 hours in for them today as well. And I have a meeting about a potential new customer, and I have a Apple event today, which is always a productivity kill. So that is, I got a busy day today. I've been up since 5, worked out this morning for the first time in a week, and that's it. So I get busy, so everybody have a wonderful Wednesday. See you tomorrow. Peace.